A meditation for peace. Allow yourself time to get comfortable, to feel relaxed, letting your eyes close gently. Let your breathing be unhurried, each out-breath becoming just a little slower and deeper. Allow your shoulders to let go of any tension. Just let those shoulders relax. Simply watch the gentle inflow and outflow of the breath through your nostrils. Nice and slow. Allowing each breath to bring a sense of calmness and ease. You may like to let a few slightly deeper breaths flow out, like silent, gentle sighs. Relax your eyes and encourage each breath to soften your whole face, easing away any tightness from your cheeks and jaw. Let each breath bring you into a quieter space in the heart of your being. Sense yourself relaxing a little more into the back of your body. And while your body begins to relax, feel at the same time a sense of inner support and strength. Gradually, your thoughts begin to quieten and slow down, and you consciously draw in a breath of peace. Begin to feel waves of peace flowing through you, from your head to your feet. With each breath, a gentle wave of peace. Bringing a stillness, a quietness into the depth of your being. There is an increasing feeling of contentment within as you reconnect with your natural state of peace. Feel that peace in your heart growing stronger and stronger, like a radiant light. Allow that peace and that light to shine out from your heart. Feel your whole body filled with that peace and light. and that peaceful light radiating out beyond your physical body. Now direct that peaceful energy out through your home and your family. Peaceful vibrations radiating out to those you love and care for. Sense any possible difficulties in your relationship with them dissolving. The peaceful energy from your heart eases out any tensions and conflicts. There is just love and deep peace. Sense that peace radiating out to your friends, neighbours, and the community where you live. Peaceful vibrations radiating out. And to your work colleagues. Sense any tensions or disagreements that may exist easing away as the peaceful energy touches their hearts. Sense that peaceful light and energy radiating out through your country to the politicians and decision makers. Let the power of your peace raise their consciousness so they may guide the nation with compassion, their policies just and true. Visualize the whole earth held in peaceful energy. Peaceful vibrations throughout the world, so that all beings are blessed with love, compassion, and growing consciousness. Let unity between all nations develop and grow. We spend a moment visualizing the world and all the peoples of the world held in peaceful light. And we release this image of a peaceful world into the power of the universe. Now gently return your thoughts to your physical body and the room around you. Feeling centered and steady, allow a few slightly deeper breaths to flow in and out. Be very aware of your contact with whatever you're sitting on, and feel the steadiness and support of the earth beneath you. Without opening your eyes just yet, imagine the room around you and notice any sounds you can hear. Noticing your breath once again. And you may now like to imagine a beautiful cloak of light wrapped around you. A force field of loving, protective energy. Just wrap it around you now and sense it holding steady the peaceful energy you have reconnected with. Then in your own time, allow your eyes to gently open and focus once again on the outer world, knowing that your connection to your own inner peace will not only have changed your energy, but had a positive effect on the energy field of the whole world. Om Shanti.